Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 269 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter. And I have this today in the shade Cupcake, but it comes in 12 different shades, which I feel like is such a high amount of shades for highlighters. I feel like typically highlighters come in like 3 shades. You get like a gold, a white, and a pink, maybe a bronze. But the fact that there's 12 different shades of highlighters I think is so impressive. This is so highly rated on the ShopMissA website, and that's where I bought this. The AOA Studio brand is the ShopMissA brand, so this is only $1. It's cruelty free and it's paraben free. This product seems kind of familiar because I actually tried out recently the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Eyeshadow, which I really liked, but you can see the highlighter is a little bigger than the eyeshadow. They're both $1 though. If you want to see my video on this baked eyeshadow, I'll link that down below. And this Wonder highlighter is part of my new ShopMissA haul, but in the past I tried out the Halo highlighter from ShopMissA, which these look like very similar types of highlighters. I really love this Halo highlighter. If you want to see my video on this, I will link it down below. It was really hard to choose a shade of highlighter to try out, but I wanted to go with a kind of more pinky toned highlighter. Let's go ahead and swatch it, see how it actually looks. And with baked products, you have to break through that top layer that is really hard and not super pigmented, so then you can get to the pigment. Oh, wow. As I'm swatching this, let's see if my camera will pick it up. I wonder if you can kind of see the shade. It's right here and it's very peachy. I didn't even realize how peach this actually is, and I don't think I've tried out a peach highlighter really. I'm so excited to see how this looks. I'm gonna start out by taking the fan brush. This is from my Vander makeup brush collection. If you want to see my review on all of these brushes, I'll link that video down below as well because I love this brush set. This has such a beautiful glow, and this fan brush just kind of adds like a light amount. You can definitely still see it though. Definitely good pigment to this highlighter. It really does just give such a healthy glow, and this peach shade, I mean, it really just looks shiny. It doesn't look noticeably peach on my skin, which is good. Kind of has like a rose gold shimmer to it when you look up close. On the other side, I'm going to use my powder brush and put on a little bit more, make this a little bit more intense of a highlight. Since I have such pink tones to my skin, I really do like this shade. This Cupcake Peachy shade looks really nice because it is very similar to my skin tone, so it just looks like there's shine to my skin tone and not really a color. So I like that. Wow, look at that glow. Definitely a lot more going on this side, or you could just go in with a lighter amount here. And this looks so smooth on my skin. Even though it's that baked powder, that dry powder texture, it still looks very even, smooth on my skin. And that is really important to me in a highlighter. Like, it's shimmery without being glittery, and it's definitely bright. Like, I am so impressed by the fact that this is a $1 highlighter. And this is a lot of product. If I thought that this eyeshadow was a lot of product, this highlighter is even more product. Like, this is gonna be able to last me for so long, and it's just so wearable, so complimentary to my skin that it's something I'd want to wear every day. So it's great that I'll be able to get use out of this for a long time, but for only $1, that's amazing. So I love this Cupcake Peachy shade for an everyday natural looking glow. But since this is such a great formula, I'd be very interested to try it out in some of those other colors. And I will say that this Halo Blissful shade that I have here is more of an intense, more noticeable color change on my skin. So this is when I want like that more bold highlight. But then this one here is perfect for that glow. But oh, I love both of these so much. AOA Studio really knows how to make an amazing highlighter. These are definitely up there with some of my favorite highlighters I've ever used. And I've used some really great highlighters from low price points to very high price points, and these ones I still think rank up with those top highlighters I've ever tried. Let me know in the comments down below what some of your favorite highlighters are. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.